Welcome at the SPS 2022 in Nuremberg. The Gocator 2640. We are using here two sensors. The reason why we're using two sensors is because we are having them on an angle, calibrated together in one system, and scanning the part from the top, left and the right side. Our Gocator 2600 series has the feature that we're using a 4K plus sensor. This means we do have 4200 pixels on the laser line. The advantage of this is simply way higher accuracy. You can reduce the amount of sensors and still achieve a high resolution. The second sensor we're seeing here in our demo is our snapshot sensor. This is the Gocator 3000 series. In this case, we're using our Gocator 3210. We're using it to scan the part fully with one shot. The difference between the snapshot sensors and our laser profilers is in some applications where you have a dynamic process, you can scan it with our laser profilers. But if you have a process where you have stops in between, you can use our snapshot sensor. With our Gocator 3000 series, we are offering three different models. It's our Gocator 3520. This is our biggest field of view. Our mid-size sensor is this one, that's the 30-10 Gocator, where we have a field of view of roughly a postcard. And our high-resolution sensor is our Gocator 3506.
Our second feature demo we are presenting on the show today is a combination of a universal robot, the UR5, with a Gocator 3210 snapshot sensor, and also four Gocator 2520 laser line profilers that are aligned in a 360-degree ring layout. What we can see here is that the UR Plus, also equipped with a gripper, drops the part, and then the Gocator takes the coordinates of the part again, gives the information back to the robot in order to take the part and move it into the 360-degree ring layout in order to take a complete 360-degree scan. We take one scan from all four directions. Our internal Gocator mesh tool that is included in our Gocator software is able to combine these four single data parts into one complete 360-degree point cloud. The special features we are presenting here on the demo is firsthand a very easy plug-and-play connection between Gocator and Universal Robots. LMI Technologies is part of the UR Plus program already for many years, and we have designed the UR cap that makes the connection between all the UR robots and all Gocators. Doesn't matter if it is a snapshot or a laser line profiler. It's very easy, it's just plug and play.
What you can see here is our new Gocator 5000 series. It works as a line confocal imaging, and this impressive unit is resolving details down to 200 nanometers. So really very precise. It's a technique that has great advantages compared to laser triangulation. It really works on glossy, shiny materials as well on other standard surfaces. This unit, I can show you also something very impressive, inspecting multi-layer. So we have here a sample part. This camera chip has a protective glass on top, and we were able to scan with that technology even multi-layers.